Installation is pretty simple. Just break down the process into 3 steps. In this example, we will download Node.js software from official website. Node.js software is available in rich flavor. We can choose as per our requirement. So during the development process, we will use LTS version. LTS version is for development. In addition to that, users from older operating systems such as Windows 7, in this example is use Windows 7 operating system. So we will download Node.js software version 13.14.0 for 64-bit machine architecture. We are looking for 64-bit machine MSI file. Here you go, download it. Once the download complete, installation process will initiate. It's quite simple and straightforward. You don't need to check anything, just select all default option for testing purpose. So we have completed step 1. The next step is to install IDE as per your choice. In this example, we will install Visual Studio Code. It's free and support React application files. It is lightweight and user-friendly. Anyone can use if he or she is familiar with Notepad or Notepad++. Again, the installation process is simple. Just follow me. We have just completed the second step. So let's proceed with the third and last step towards React environment.